In the previous video, we have discussed acanthocytes or Burr cells. Today we'll talk about acanthocytes or Spur cells, an abnormally shaped red blood cell. Where did the word come from? From an ancient Greek word called acantha, meaning thorn, like these thorns. Cyte means cell. So, acanthocytes or Spur cells, they are red blood cells with spiked membranes, abnormal membranes. They have coarse, variable sized projections at variable distance from each others. Okay? If you remember the previous video, acanthocytes, these projections were smaller, more numerous, and they were at equal distance. But here, acanthocytes, variable distance, coarse, and variable size. Okay, when do we see acanthocytes in the blood? Please don't forget A-beta lipoproteinemia, which is a rare autosomal recessive disorder, deficiency in apolipoprotein B48 and B100. There's a problem with chylomicrons and VLDL. Okay, what else? Liver disease, McLeod syndrome, chorea acanthosis, neuroacanthosis. They're very rare diseases, but please, if there's anything that you can learn from here, A-beta lipoproteinemia, they have acanthocytosis. What is the pathogenesis of these cells? Alteration in membrane lipid or membrane protein of the red blood cell. Sometimes in cases of severe liver disease, these acanthocytes will go to the spleen. The spleen will try to make them more round, more circular, and this is called spheroacanthocytosis. Hey, thank you for watching this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe. We have talked about one of the speculated cells named acanthocytes. If you have any questions, comments, speculations, let me know below, and I'll see you soon.